Yo, what's good, y'all? It's like almost 5 o'clock in the morning, and I can't fall asleep. You wanna know why? Because the lady that lives downstairs was babysitting her kid, and her daughter snores like a fucking Tyrannosaurus Rex. Have a listen to this shit. And by the way, I am pissed off. Yo, that is some demonic snoring right there. And I just saw Paranormal Activity 2 today. I'm not even gonna lie, her snoring is freaking me out right now. Pray for me, y'all. It's the last time we babysit her, y'all. Deuces.